Welcome back to Mindful Musings. I'm Dee Dee, your host. I'm an energy alchemist, a sound bowl practitioner, and an intuitive. So, I told you I'd be right back. So I'm keeping my word. I am back. I thought we'd pull a couple of oracle cards for guidance today. Today is March 29th. 2025. It was the solar eclipse, partial solar eclipse. It is the new moon. It is also getting ready for, was it Neptune coming into Aries? Something like that. There's just a lot of energies swirling about. And I wanted to see what guidance, what spirit team has for us. If there's any messages, any nudgings from the highest of highs, my spirit team, for entertainment and spiritual purposes. I did not pre-select the oracle cards yet, so I'm going to look over there and see which deck, or maybe two, we'll see which ones call for the highest good of all concerned, for anyone who is coming to view this at any time, no matter whether it's March 29th or not, that it be relevant. And that is B for the highest, purest, and the clearest wisdom. And okay. Which one? Well, the first one. Well, this could be because I watched Colette Baron Reed yesterday, and she was using these cards. So perhaps this is why these called to me. I don't know. But anyway, let's see. This is the wisdom of the oracle, Colette Baron Reed. She is amazing, as always. But let's see. Again, lovingly using these oracle cards just as a way of connecting to spirit and offering us guidance, particularly during. Oh, hello. Oh. Did you hear that? Is she going to do it again? Guess not. But that was a beautiful morning, dove. I hope you were able to hear that. Time for a nap. Oh. Well, yeah, it is still a time. And the little fox. It is, this is the new moon. Of course, this is a crescent moon, the little moon. Sometimes, sometimes we just have to stop the chatter and retreat. I don't mean retreat, but retreat inward. And now still is a time to go inward. As I have said in so many of the videos that I've created, it's an inside job. We are not going to affect change externally. We're not going to change someone else. The only change that we can affect is our own. And we are being called at this time to really take a look inside. And that can be exhausting. So making sure that you are restoring yourself, resting, drinking plenty of fluids. The electrolytes, I've really notice that helps. Even as I was talking with my dearest friend Peggy yesterday, creating your own, whether it's, through water, maybe sparkled water, maybe some orange juice and a little bit of salt. And that will create your own Gatorade, your own electrolytes. But we really are needing that. Our fascia is really needing that at this time to heal and to keep us flexible and keeping us nourished. I just want to see pretty much right on with what Colette is saying, because it is this time of new moon is a time of creating. Take time to rest, and that's what the essential meaning is: rest, rejuvenation, and renewal. Temporary non-action, and allowing your dreams to arise. The Oracle's message is, this is a time to step away and rest. Yeah. Let the cares of your world go. Yeah, don't get caught into that world. Oof. Go into a state of non-action and allow yourself to be free of the shackles of your goals and your lists and your desires. Nothing is as important as rest, detachment, and neutrality. The overly busy mind can block you from inner wisdom if you don't step back and take a seat and rest. Be willing to let dreams surface and ideas flow through you. Let them flow absent of any force or conscious direction as you observe without engagement now. Wow, that's pretty much what I was just talking in the video that led up to this video. This is a time to come from a place of compassionate detachment, neutrality. That is how we are going to affect change. But right now, it's not a time of action. It is a time of being and allowing the dreams to come up. And as those come up, place it out into the universe. Place it out there without being attached to the result. Remember, pull the energy back from attachment and allow the universe to create what is truly in your best and highest interests. I love that. Yeah, we can have a vision, and we are the bridge. We are the bridge to the new humanity, the enlightened humanity. I love that. Shall we see? Well, yes, no? Okay, well, let's, because I also pulled up this one, The Wisdom of Avalon, which is also another Colette Baron Reed. A little more on the mystical side of Avalon, which I've always been drawn to Avalon, to Lemuria, to the goddess energy, the divine feminine waking up. Let's see what images, messages may be at this time for our highest and greatest good. As we're tapping into the goddess. Oh. What a sweet card. The ancient guides of Amal, the dog. Loyalty, sincerity, unconditional love. The purity, loyalty to your soul, Unconditional love, that is what our soul, our divine, offers us and gives us. It's not loyalty to something external. It is this pureness, this just how dogs just embrace the now, the play, the connection, the I love you, I love you, I love you, come play with me, come play with me. And just so sincere when you look in their eyes. There is just such love and such, will you come play with me, come be with me, come pet me. Let me put my paw on you. Come pay attention to me, pay attention to me. Sometimes I feel like that's what our soul does, our higher self. But sometimes it goes, hey, pay attention to me. Pay attention to me. I love you. I love you. Come play with me. Come play with the divine. Come, let's create. Let's create. Oh, that's fabulous. Probably not at all what Colette means by it, unless of course it is. But that's what was coming through for me. And yeah, okay, so the dog is the most loyal animal to human beings. And when the dog appears on your path, he reminds you of this trait. Are you steadfast with your loved ones? Are you true to yourself and to your dreams? Do you act with sincerity? It's very important that you do so now, for good fortune comes with the faithful dog as your companion. Dog loves sincerely without conditions and is happy to be a part of a pack. Think about how you function in your community. Are you a loyal team player? Another issue the dog asks you to consider is the loyalty of others. If someone is being insincere, move on, because he or she isn't meant to be in your pack. Ask the dog for a sign, and your answer will be shown. Dog energy lives in your heart, so look there. Yeah, those are sweet. Those are very, very sweet. That as we are restoring, as we are resting and rejuvenating and accessing our dreams, bring in that compassionate, loyal, faithful servant, our higher being, our higher self. That compassion, that loyalty, and in that heart space, you'll be able to discern the energies that no longer serve you and leave them behind. Just, only go where the heart leads, where there is sincerity and loyalty, honesty, truth, and play. What is it called? What lights you up? What lights you up? And do that. What sparks joy? Follow that path. And if you've got a doggy, just be with your fellow companion and embrace the joy and the unconditional love and know you are worthy of that. And I still keep getting, it's the loyalty of the soul. The loyalty of the soul never leaves you, never disappoints you. Our ego does, our ego attachment to that which is outside of us. Yeah, that can get us going in a whole different way. But our loyalty to our soul and to our higher self and to this creation of an enlightened humanity, and knowing that we are the light, we are the bridge to the 5D. I love that. That's pretty cool. And hopefully you were able to even hear some of nature doing her thing behind me as support and knowing that we are all connected, we are all involved. We're all on this path together. No souls get left behind. That is old. That is old programming. Nobody gets left behind. Because remember where that came from. That comes from a mindset of separation and hierarchy and better than. That's not where we are. That's not where we're going. Honor your own path and honor that others choose a different path. But we're all going there into a higher consciousness. We are all ascending in different time frames, in different ways. But honor what is true and right for you. And please don't go into that place of, oh, I have to save this person. Oh, they're going down this path. Let them. That's their path. You keep going on the path that is true and right for you. And know you have your loyal companion as you rest and recover. Your loyal companion. Bring in the joy. I love that. Anything else? Bark. So whatever. Bark, 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 bark. That was part of joy. I love that. Okay, that's why I was going, why are you having me bark? But it's like, bark, 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 bark. How can you not feel that energy? Bark at the moon. You're not howling at the moon. Bark, bark, bark. Announcing my presence. Here I am, present, in the joy, in the love. God is with you always. God is with you always. Your angels are with you always. Our celestial beings, our Mother Gaia. The words, take yourself out for a walk today. Go take yourself out for a walk and let your little tail just wag from happiness and joy. I think that sounds like a fabulous idea. I think I'll go do that. All right, my friends. I hope this was of some benefit to you. Chuckle, lightheartedness. Let go of that which no longer serves you and reside in joy and peace. Keep coming back. Keep coming back to your soul, to your heart. Remember to like, subscribe, please share as we can grow our community. We all need each other at this time. We can all assist each other at this time. As you can hear now, the building, someone is building something out there. We are building our future. We are creating this firm, solid foundation, and we are building. We are creating the bridge. All right, dear. I will connect with you later. And breathe. Connect. Go take yourself for a walk in nature. And remember that we are divine beings having human experiences. And that's all perfect as it is playing out. All right? Much love. Many blessings to you. Touch base with you later. So be it. Namaste.